Let's be real. Some people just have that wow factor. They walk into a room and even without makeup, people turn and stare. Not because they're the most conventionally beautiful, but because there's something magnetic about their face. And here's the truth. It's not luck. It's science. There are small, realistic things you can do that instantly change the way your face is perceived. The angles, the light, even the energy you give off. So today, we're talking about 5 things that make your face instantly more attractive. No makeup, no filters, no surgery, just small, feminine, glow-up hacks that actually work. 1. Your skin texture. Smooth over perfect. You don't need flawless skin, you need smooth, hydrated skin. People are naturally drawn to faces that reflect light evenly. When your skin barrier is healthy, it scatters light softly. That's what makes you look glowy, not oily. So focus on texture over tone. Gentle exfoliation twice a week. Barrier repair, ceramides, niacinamide. Hydration layering, toner plus serum plus moisturizer. You'll notice that when your skin starts feeling like satin instead of sandpaper, your entire face looks fresher, your eyes pop, your lips look fuller, your energy looks more radiant. It's not makeup, it's maintenance. 2. Your facial expressions. Relaxed equals radiant. This one's so underrated. A tense face reads as stressed. A relaxed face reads as beautiful. When your jaw is clenched, your brows are furrowed, your lips are tight, it literally hardens your features. But when you consciously relax your face, soften your gaze, and slightly lift your posture, you instantly look calmer, younger, and more confident. Here's a trick. Unclench your jaw. Drop your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Soften your eyes. Look like you're smiling with them, not just from your mouth. It's called resting warmth face. You don't need to smile all day. Just don't look like you're surviving a group project. Peace looks prettier than pressure. 3. Lip hydration plus shape definition. You don't need fillers, you need moisture and balance. Hydrated lips automatically make your face look softer and more symmetrical. Keep a lip balm or gloss handy and exfoliate gently with sugar and honey once a week. A glossy lip equals youthful. A matte, dry lip equals tired. For shape definition, trace your natural lip line lightly with a nude or brown liner. This gives depth without heavy makeup. If you want a subtle upgrade, dab a bit of lip oil in the center. That light reflection creates an optical plump. It's simple science. Shine draws focus. Focus equals attraction. 4. Eye contact plus gaze energy. The eyes are everything. You can have average features, but if your eyes are alive, you'll always be remembered. People are magnetically drawn to faces that make them feel seen. So practice holding eye contact 2 seconds longer than usual. Not in a creepy way, in a confident, soft way. Blink slower. Tilt your chin slightly down when making eye contact. It reads feminine and inviting. Smile slightly with your eyes, what models call smizing. It's wild how this one habit changes your aura. You go from pretty to captivating without touching a brush. Because attraction isn't about looking perfect, it's about being present. 5. Your posture plus facial symmetry. Listen, posture changes your face, literally. When you slouch, your chin tucks in, your jawline softens, your eyes look tired. When you sit upright and lift your neck slightly, everything about your face looks sharper, more defined, more confident. Shoulders back, chin slightly up. Neck elongated, like there's a string pulling from your crown. That small lift changes how light hits your features and how people see you. And don't forget facial balance. Brush your brows upward, moisturize your lashes, keep your hairline neat, and wear earrings that complement your face shape. Because true attractiveness isn't about changing your face, it's about framing it right. So yeah, You don't need makeup to be magnetic. You just need peace, hydration, and intention. Smooth skin over perfect skin. Soft face over tense face. Glossy lips, calm eyes, lifted posture. It's the subtle things that make people double take. Because your glow isn't screaming, "Look at me." It's whispering, "I'm at peace." Comment "Soft glow activated" below if you're starting your no makeup glow up era. See you in the next one.